What's up, guys? Twisted Trends back in the building. And today, guess what? We're going to our first Street Society car meet, and we're gonna group right there. So I'm not gonna, spare you the big long talks and all the BS that I normally do, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and become a part of the community, man. I love talking to y'all in the comments. I love chatting it up and joking around, so don't be afraid to comment, guys. I love y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the group ride, so I'm gonna see y'all very, very shortly. Deuces. And we're on the group ride. We picked up some new people. Oh!
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
That is my favorite thing to do to people. I don't know why. Call me sussy. Call me sussy. Oh Lord, we ain't never gonna get out of here. I know all things must come down when it's time to come around. Who? Naughty, naughty, reckless driver. Oh Lord. Oh, guys, it is so hot. Let's check the weather app real quick. Don't look at my passcode. Weather app. 84 degrees. I do not recommend riding in this hot weather. Tina does not like it at all, although she did kick over on the first kick, so maybe she does enjoy this weather a little bit, but shoo, that sun is so bright. I gotta put my shades on. Freeway in the whip with no freon, fuck a peon. Whoop. Kawasaki. Jumping in, trying to hit with my brother, bitch. I'm jumping in the whip to whatever. I really like this Kawasaki, guys, and I really like Silence Aprilia. It has cruise control, so he can ride with no hands and just chill with his hands on his knees for a long time, which I think is very cool. Oh, that's the cute nurse I saw earlier. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. What the helly? What the helly? jumping in, trying to hit with my brother, bitch, I'm jumping in the whip to whatever, I'm jumping in. Check out my feet. Look at my feet. Oh! Ah! 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 Guys, that freaking nurse in that white Ford Escort. Oh no, they got him. No, how could they get him? It doesn't make any sense. They got one of our soldiers! I kind of low-key want to spit game at the nurse. Should I spit game, chat?
Please do the video call. I want to fuck you. Please, please beg me. Please. I am very much interested to fuck
I'm afraid, but I am on my motorcycle. Spit game, but I can't fall out of the pack. No. If we get to a red light, I'm stopping. I got to.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No.
She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. What the shit? It sounds so good. I think she's gone forever, guys. What are they doing? They're holding hands! What the hell? Having so much fun. I love riding with these guys, man. That's why I want cruise control. It doesn't make any sense. That guy almost pulled out on us. I pushed my fingers into my... Woo! And this guy's an absolute stud, dude. He's so swole.
What do you mean by that?
good too. A street triple, a Triumph. I've never seen one in person, I don't think, but it sounds amazing. Amazing. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. We're gonna be riding next to my welding school. Nothing is permanent. For years. Dio! He's a goner.
Gone forever, Aaron Hernandez.
Absolute goner that one was, yeah? Absolute flopping goner. Can't even help him, he's gone forever. Somebody stop that guy, yeah? I really want a mini truck like that Taco right there, that Toyota Taco, Tacoma. I hear the street triple approaching. There it is! The Triumph Street Triple. Oh, she waved to me.
You should let me love you.
Are you bumping me? Are you bumping me? Smells like straight sewage water, yeah? Like straight asshole, yeah? Smells like straight asshole. I can't even understand it, yeah? 14 hell. You're right. Guys, I'm sorry, dude. Like, I'm having a tism spat right now.
I'm retarded?
But I'm having such a good time with my friends. Ugh. So many bugs in my eyeballs! Well, it feels good right here, probably because of the river? Creek? No. No creek, no river. 14 nothing. Not a fucking thing. Shot flames! That street triple is freaking sick nasty. Going non-verbal! Great! Isn't it so amazing? Wow! Wow! How much battery do I have? Enough! I have enough! I have enough! I am a surgeon! I am a surgeon! Why am I yelling, dude?
I'm retarded?
There's no reason for me to be yelling right now. And I feel the rain. I wish they had car meets like the Fast and Furious and stuff. That's what the kind of meet that I want to go to for real. We're here! We made it to the car meet! And the bicycle meet. Wow, so many motorcycles here! So many motorcycles here! So many motorcycles here! Do 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 do. It's so hot. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I'll be back later. Peace. Alright, we're starting off with a Corvette Z06 supercharged. Pretty nice. Really liking the orange. There is a lot of people here and there's a lot of loud cars, okay? I feel like I've seen this guy in one of my videos before. I don't think there's anything that special under here. I do like the cherry blossom on the engine cover though. Okay, wait a second, where does all this piping go to? Is there a turp skate? I don't think so. I don't think so. And there is a K truck, which I would really like one, but you know, pretty slow. Can't really take them on the highways, you know.
I know, I was watching that shit, then I was like, damn, it's a fucking dually. I tried to payload it.
And then we got all of the bikes. We got You can see Miss Tina over there, just chilling in the cut.
Checking out some car.
Yeah, I'm videoing right now for my YouTube channel. But I appreciate it, dude. But I'll be back in a second. What a guy, you know. So what you call it here, considerate. I'm really liking this Ford Danger Ranger. Okay. Oh, it's RGB. I thought I was tweaking out. I was like, I swear that thing's changing colors. What is that? Another speed triple. Amazing. Those sound so good. You know? We got a Kia with the turb ski. Let's see if we can spot that spoolie snail. Where is it? It's probably in the back. Make it super hard to work on. Yeah, probably in the back. A 240. Sweet. Guys, I don't even know like what I'm doing. I'm really just walking around rambling and checking everything out. I don't know too much about cars, but I do like to look at them. I bet you a black guy drives that. And then we got the Beamer. This is pretty sick. Stick shift. I bet he drifts it. I bet he drifts it. That's pretty nice. Got the Lancers. Got the Miatas. Holy cow. And now we're walking down the second row of cars. I bet that thing is loud and obnoxious and retarded. I think we got the CRV? CRX? Hatchbacks? I really like these. Okay, I think these have a real nice classic look to them that are very good. Very old cars, but very good nonetheless. Let's see if I was right. He debadged it. Debadged. Ooh, that's an interesting one. I've never seen one like that before. Never seen one like that before. I'm sounding like a retard in my helmet. Helmet cam, retard, go. There's so many people here. We're definitely gonna get shut down. And when we do, I will be the first one to have footage of it all. How you doing? Has a tongue. Very interesting. And this is my friend Arthur's friend. Huh? That's my friend Arthur, Speak of the Devil.
Already?
Huh?
Are you leaving already?
No, I'm videoing for my YouTube channel.
Oh, hey YouTube.
Tell them to like, subscribe, and comment and share.
Comment best stuff. Want more videos? Just keep watching the videos.
Yes, one more videos.
Yeah, more videos, more fun stuff. Don't do bad stuff.
Not doing bad stuff.
You'll end up like him. What the hell did I do?
Don't end up like this guy.
It's for YouTube. I didn't do shit.
Am I recording? I am recording.
It's for YouTube.
Yeah, don't be like this guy.
What did I do?
What did you do?
What did I do? What did you do? You accused me. What did I do? What did you do?
What'd you do?
Accuse me. What did I do?
What did he do?
What he has to tell you because he did it. Listen to this guy, okay? He knows what he's talking about.
What did you do?
I did everything.
Oh shit.
That's what you do. Oh.
Yeah. Tell them to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and
Yeah, everything that you do.
yeah, dude, it's great.
What'd you do?
You're on camera. What did you do?
It's for YouTube. What'd you do? So what had happened was
This guy didn't do nothing.
well, what'd you do? What did I do?
Yeah, what did you do?
What day? I do a lot of stuff.
Yeah? Like what?
Well, he told me I ran from the cops.
You don't want to say that on the internet.
He's famous, by the way.
Yeah. Almost 500 subscribers now. Yeah.
I hope they hit me. I need the insurance money. My truck broke.
Typical Mustang maneuver right there.
Oh, hit my rib.
Alright, I'm getting back to it.
I'll see, man.
Thanks for the bits and stuff. I appreciate it. Okay. No, I'll be in Florida.
Oh, will you come back next week?
Yeah.
I'll be boring.
Sorry.
I ain't coming to
I don't even know half of those guys, but they were fun to hang around, you know? Really like this 5.0 right here. That looks like the Jigsaw Bro skin, basically. And then we got a Carbon ZX6R. You know what? Make sure you go follow that guy, king.zx6r on Instagram. Pretty cool. Pretty cool bike. I'm not going to show any Harleys, okay? Because Harleys are super homo sapien bikes, okay?
Hey, assholes! You guys know that everyone thinks you're total fags, right?
Not going to show any Harleys. We might talk to these guys about this truck though, because I know these single, what is it, single cab? I don't know. There's always just one cab on a truck, but it has those on it. So, you know it's probably fast. Would y'all care to talk about your truck for a little bit?
Ah, shoot, man.
I mean, you don't have to.
It's all good. That's his truck. How's it going, man?
How's it going? I'm Tristan.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Russell.
So, tell me about your truck here, because I've seen them on the internet, and I know they're pretty quick.
Yeah, I mean, they're pretty quick for what they are.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's not one of these that make 2,000 horsepower like you see on the internet.
Okay.
I mean, it makes 900, so.
That's still pretty crazy, dude.
I mean, it's fast for what it is.
How fast have you gotten it?
Man, I've never taken it to the track or whatever. I mean, I've run it at 150, 60 miles an hour roll rate, this way or what have you. But
That's pretty cool, dude.
yeah, man, it's fun for what it is. It's just a heavy truck, man. It's like
Yeah.
4,500 pounds or whatever. So
It hooks good on those tires?
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. I may have spent a little bit, but not bad.
Okay. Cool, dude. Well, I appreciate you talking to me. All right, have a good one. Do you mind if you're on video by chance? No? Okay, cool. Have a good one, dude. What a nice guy. I wasn't going to put him on blast, you know, if he was talking about running 150 miles on the E-way, because that's pretty messed up. If I expose him and he gets arrested and gets a reckless driving charge or a racing charge, you know, sort of like I did, because I wouldn't wish out on anybody, and I smell some weed and it's loud. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. What the hell? I don't even know what I'm looking at, so I'm not even gonna spend any time looking at it. But I do know that the RB26 is a good engine, and this R33 is sexy, and it has a pretty decent sized turbo. Is that in frame? It is in frame. Very pretty engine though. Oh, wow. Gotta love that. Got to love that. Basic mom van, basic Bumblebee with gorilla stickers. Interesting. I don't know much about Camaros. Oh, we got Bumblebee, and then we got a Decepticon, and then we got two. We're out of Kohl's, so there's a lot of civilian traffic here, and that is a police officer. That is an undercover police officer. But we have a pretty nice purple 240 SX right here. Parred out. Interesting. Very nice. Very nice. That's black owned. This is black owned. I can just feel it. I can feel it in my loins. My nigga senses are going off like crazy. Whew, wee. I like that color. In the Hellcat. It is hot.
Oh yeah.
That looks nice. Yamaha YZF. It's an old bike. I don't know nothing about no old bikes, but I think this is very nice as well. Now, I do not know if it is an M, but I'm hoping it is. And if I had to guess, that either looks like a super duper old, not super duper, but a pretty old M4 or a pretty old M3. Oh, I was so wrong.
An idiot sandwich.
I was so wrong, but it looks nice. It does look nice, but you know, I'm not a car guy. I like motorcycles. I like motorcycles and I like pretty girls, you know. And that is a pretty girl indeed. Definitely should have talked to Shorty in the car on the way here, but you know, I'm a little bit of a retard and I got scared. I chickened out because I'm a hoo-ha. But guys, this is Street Society, and there's probably going to be a couple more cars that are showing up and leaving out and all that good stuff. So if I catch anything special, I'll let you know. But no, dude, there's some pretty nice bikes around here, like this Forged Carbon GSXR, gsx.doug on Instagram. Make sure you follow him if you like Jixers, if you like gay guys. Excuse me, y'all. And then, yeah, there's with Tina. And then the sick Triumph Street Triple that we were riding by on the way here. And yeah, that's pretty much all the bikes, guys. So I'm probably just gonna kick it with my friends for a little bit and hang out. And Tina's finally cooling down. What a good girl. But yeah, guys, I guess I'll talk to you later. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share if you're really feeling it. I really appreciate y'all. I love you guys, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.